Our task was menuing, so start menu, help menu, setup menu, quit, that kind of thing.
I think we came to a different dojo than the pattern dojo.
Yeah, so let's just, I'll just show you the, well, I'll do it in the correct order. This is what we've done.
Oh. That looks like Wibbly Roger.
that was Wibbly before. We've unwibbled the lower parts there.
Unwibble.
So you can use the cursor here, and it won't do anything. Start game, as you can imagine, is kind of similar. We have the unbeatable help. So you can get out of help by pressing escape.
How are you selecting the options there?
I'll show you.
Might help.
It's all carefully scripted.
So let me just show you the list of files that we changed. This is what we call Welcome to the London JSON Code Dojo. So yeah, how did we get the keys to be changing like that? So I think predictably we'll go into this directory here. And so object. You've got down here text subtitle and text title. So we basically copied these and changed them so that we have the start game. Just has text, font size, and offset. So that you have to change the offset manually to get it to position one after the other. As you can see. Like a different offset there. Yeah. So that displays it on the screen. There's no action here because those actions are called every frame of the screen. It's not an action that's called when you press a certain button. So for that to happen, you what's that in this? Is that in the screen? Yeah. So. See, that menu happens on the title screen. So this is basically a map from keys to actions. And you have to put all the objects here that you want to use. So
we made an object for each menu item.
Yeah, so you follow the chain here. These are the actions. And this is what the original action was called, help. And you can imagine what that does. This is basically like creating an action called help, and then you do eval of action, and with an argument of self, which you get that instead of what you want. So we changed it so that it was called whatever that was called before.
Underscore menu.
Yeah, and then
we considered refactoring the eval out, but.
Why just this eval doesn't simply use the get out from action?
Well, because it doesn't import action, it imports it from action start. But I agree, if you would import action and then to get action, that's what I do. But I think perhaps the guy just doesn't quite know how to do that.
But he used get that from
I know, yeah.
So
perhaps he didn't think that one through.
I think we had that again with. I don't know, we've got quit here, so apparently that's fine.
He just likes his from imports.
In the interactive interpreter, you can type quit. So
you can use Twitter.
It's a statement under that, so I'm not sure what happened there.
So we ended up with these. This is the one that changes to the help screen. Obviously, we need in here something to blank the screen, but we haven't worked out yet.
I think we might have
screen fill or not.
Yeah, go on. Stick it in. Screen fill, not.
No, but screen
screen is a screen mesh.
Yeah.
It's not.
Okay.
It's the screen.
So we're kind of working within the framework as it was created, and you know, it obviously needs to be refactored so that you can have a menu object. We can kind of have time to do that.
Is the title screen is a separate state from gameplay, isn't it? So you could have had help being a separate state again.
It's a separate screen.
But then if you turned it into a separate state, and as though it was just separate from title, separate from gameplay, then you'd clear the screen and do all what you wanted to do, and have some extra actions for getting out of it.
I think we did have an extra state in that other file. Which is the one that we found right at the end.
Where's the state?
Everybody finds a file.
If you open the game, which is in config,
CFG,
the game itself has a series of states basically. It's called demo. So essentially, those screens are, I think, different states.
I think they've done what you were suggesting.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think so.
That's not what I... Alright,
Clearly
my
clears the
mistake.
screen when you go from the main to back to the...
Because when you save or store a state, you give it a name, and it's one of those.
Oh, I apologise.
The framework uses the term state to refer to something else.
Yeah, you're right. It does.
So it's.
I'm thinking of the old state, the old framework.
Yeah, exactly. This is framework's version of the state in the old framework.
Yeah.
You can't call this help either. We tried that.
Failed.
So we did change one little factor, I think.
Yeah, we changed actions.py.
Oh, that's
Oh yeah, right.
And what did you do in actions.py?
Double restore stab.
That's it.
Black Knight.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've enjoyed your JSON Dojo?
Cool. Oh, that's the dot switch. Yes, all right.
Thank you very much.
While I'm rabbiting on,